Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with the Dog.
こんにちは。今日はスペインバスク地方のチーズケーキをアレンジしたものです。味はもちろん小さいサイズがちょうどよくってとっても気に入っています。
Before you start mixing, place the cream cheese in a heat-resistant bowl and microwave at 600 watts for 3 minutes to soften it. Mix the cream cheese with a balloon whisk. When it's smooth, add the granulated sugar and mix to dissolve the sugar. Since the cream cheese is warm, the sugar will melt quickly. Add the plain yogurt and mix until it's evenly distributed. You should strain the yogurt in general, but with this amount of yogurt, there is no need to do so. Add the egg and mix well. By the way, while storing the yogurt in the fridge, the whey may separate. If it separates, don't add the whey and just use the solids. Add the heavy cream and mix it in. This recipe is very easy to make because you don't have to strain the yogurt, just mix it up and bake it. Sift the cake flour into the bowl. And mix the batter until no pockets of dry flour are visible. Arrange the silicone-coated cupcake liners in a muffin pan. You can also bake it in a ramekin with a cupcake liner like this one. Place 2 packaged dark sweet cherries in each cupcake liner. Be sure to remove the excess syrup from the cherries with a paper towel beforehand. The cream cheese may be stuck to the bowl, so mix thoroughly before transferring it to the pan. Pour the batter in the muffin pan evenly. We love this small size because you don't have to cut up the cake. The cupcake liners we used are very useful because they are water and oil resistant, tear resistant, and have a heat resistant temperature of 250 degrees Celsius. Place the pan in the oven preheated to 220 to 230 degrees Celsius. Be careful not to burn yourself when you put it in the oven as it is preheated with the baking sheet in it. Bake for about 17 minutes. An authentic Basque cheesecake is thoroughly browned, but here we take it out from the oven when it is only lightly browned. For the smaller size, we like the texture when the cheesecake is lightly browned. When each cheesecake is browned evenly, remove the pan and let it sit to cool. When cooled, leave the cheesecake in the pan and store it in the refrigerator until cold. Now it's chilled thoroughly. If you have ramekins, it would be so cute to serve them like this. It's moist, so scoop it up with a spoon and enjoy the cheesecake. The cheesecake can be frozen and thawed in the refrigerator, so you can enjoy the delicious treat anytime.
濃厚なのにヨーグルトが入ってちょっぴり爽やかです。ダークチェリーとの相性もぴったり。
The baking time will vary depending on the type of your oven, so use the time as a guide and adjust it according to the baking color. Good luck in the kitchen!
濃厚なのに、声が変。ちょっと待ってね。